Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Shaem Tech BD. If your WhatsApp is stuck on connecting on Android, don't worry, it's a common issue and usually easy to fix. First, check your internet connection. Make sure your mobile data or Wi-Fi is not working properly. Try open a website or YouTube. If nothing loads, turn airplane mode on and off or restart your phone. Next, switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Sometimes one network may have issues. If you are using Wi-Fi, restart your router. Also check if WhatsApp is down. You can search online or ask a friend if their WhatsApp is working. If the server is down, you just need to wait. Go to phone settings and check app permission. Make sure WhatsApp has access to data, background activity and no restricted are enabled. On some phone, battery saver mode can block WhatsApp, turn it off. Clear cache to fix small bugs. Then click storage and select clear cache. Update WhatsApp from Play Store. Old version may be stopped working properly. Finally, restart your phone. This simple step fixes many temporary problems. If nothing works, uninstall and reinstall WhatsApp. Backup your chat first. This usually solves the issue completely. Hope you understand. I have a request. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and stay with us. Thanks for watching.